Hi from Body+Beauty Lab. So today we are doing some temple injections. I think there's a couple different ways that you can do temple injections, but one of the most pain-free and safest is doing it with cannula. So Jen is our injector today, and she's going to show us how to do a cannula temple injection. And we're doing this with a very diluted Sculptra.
All right, I'm starting with the pilot hole, which I'm just going to do a little stick here. 1, 2, 3. Hopefully you didn't feel that.
Didn't feel a thing.
All right, slide this guy in.
So I know this probably looks barbaric, but I literally can't feel anything.
And you can reach so far, you know, everywhere you have to go here.
So you can see usually, and I can't see, but you guys should be able to.
Can you see how far up?
Yep. That cannula tip, and that's nice for the injector as well because they can kind of see the hollow and where they're filling. And a big thing, I know a lot of people are very scared with Sculptra of granulomas and lumps and bumps, but really if you dilute it down and you are really careful to massage, the 5-5-5 is kind of what we preach. So 5 minutes, 5 times a day for 5 days. You really don't have as much of that with your patients, and there's such a great result with it. So she's at it, and I feel nothing. I can feel her touching my face. That's about it.
Yeah, we're almost done.
So that's pretty awesome because this can be a very tender injection if you go straight in with a needle. So for those of you that are apprehensive, this is pretty pain-free. Are we seeing the fill?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
We're getting a little stuck with our...
Sculptra does have a tendency, if you don't shake it and kind of keep it moving, it does kind of clump a little bit sometimes in the syringe. So you can literally just take it out and tap it around and it'll get unstuck.
No bruising.
Ooh, ooh. And I won't look like a peanut anymore. Oops, sorry.
I know, it's really fun. One more.
That's it. Ta-da! So if you want to see kind of the difference, you can see a hollow right here. And then we've kind of filled in on the other side.
Let me massage it down for you.
And this is just, we're going to massage. So any lumps and bumps we can totally massage and take care of.